Hi Ron, today I'm going to add icons to my project. Icons play a crucial role in web development, enhancing the user interface and improving user experience. I'll demonstrate how you can effectively add and manage icons in your React project, making your application more visually appealing and user-friendly. Let's take a look at the design. I launched my previously built portfolio app, and as you can see, I added several icons to menu and one icon to my input. And you can press on the icon and show password, and pressing again will hide the password. I'm going to use React Icons npm package to add and manage icons. You can check the documentation, but I'll demonstrate how I work with icons. Let's go to the code. I open Portfolio project in my Visual Studio Code, and now I'm going to add icons and open my project in Terminal. And I'm in the main branch, and I'm going to create new branch, git checkout, and create branch 3 React icon. Okay, I'm in the new branch, and now I can run my project npm run dev and open in browser. Okay, we have our menu, and also we have button, and I'm going to change it to use icons. And open my npm link, and as you can see, I can install via command npm install react icons. Now I'm going to stop it and run command npm install react icons or install, and now I can launch my dev server. You can go to the link, and let's check what we have. As you can see, in dependencies, react icons were added. I can hide terminal now and add my icons to app.jsx. And let's find some icon. I'm on the React icons.github.io, and I can use search icons, and I need some home. And as you can see, a lot of icons were provided, and I can select one icon, and I'm going to use font awesome home and just press on that icon, and now I can import my icon and add import to my project, and now I can use it inside my link. I'm going to use inside the link, and it will be just components that I imported. And refresh, and let's check what I have. And as you can see, icon was added, and we have it here. And let's add icons to about, projects, and contact. And for about, I'm going to use some info icon. Let's check what we have, and I'll use this font awesome info. Just copy this import and paste in my project, and add icon to my link. Info, and let's check. Okay, we have info icon here, and now we can add icon to project. And for that, I'm going to use and search for some list. And let's check what we have. And I can use some font awesome list. Probably this would be good. And also import and add it to my link. Okay, let's check. And we have icon for projects as well. And now I can add some icons to contact. Let's search for email, what we have. And I can use probably this email address and just copy import. and use this icon in my code. Okay, let's check. Okay, we have an icon for contact, and let me refactor a bit our code. I can place on awesome home and info and list in one line, and remove these lines because we're using font awesome all these three icons, and we use material design for email icon. And let's check. I'm going to refresh the page, and now I can adjust styles to my navigation to remove this background and make it flex. Let's check. As you can see, now we don't have flex display because when I move the mouse, my navigation doesn't change. And, let's do it. I can open up CSS where I have styles for my navigation, and I'm going to add styles for a tag and make it display flex because we put our icons inside the link, and it's a tag, and I'm going to make it display flex to align items by center. And now I can remove this background color and add a flex rope to my list. Make it rope. And let's check what we have. Okay, and we need to change color for our text. Make it black because we have white, and I'm going to change it to some black color. Let's check again. Okay, we have our menu. Let's check flex rope. As you can see, we have flex rope, and now we can add some padding between icon and the text. Let me do it. I'm going to add some span to my text. Span and close it, and add some class name. And class name will be padding left, and put 2. Okay, and now I can copy paste this span for all my items, and also here to projects and to contact, and close them, and also here. And I need to add styles to my padding left 2 class, and the class, and I'm going to set padding left 0.2 rem. Let's check what we have. Okay, we have paddings between our icons and text, and let's add icon instead of a show button to our input. For that, I'm going to open my search icons and search for some icon, and I can use this icon and add import, and open my pages or components, and we have password validator JSX, and I'm going to place my icon here. Okay, I can adjust my imports. Okay, and now I can use my icon, and instead of button, I have button on click. I can add span, change button to span, and use my icon inside this span. And also I need to keep this is password visible, and if it's not visible, I'm going to place my eye icon, font awesome eye, And let's check for some hidden eye. What we have? Okay, we have hidden eye, and I can use it. Copy this name and provide it inside my code. And now instead of this hide text, I can use this hide eye. And let's check what we have. Okay, as you can see, we have our icon. I'm going to type some text and press on icon, and as you can see, the text was shown and the icon was changed, and I can press again, and the text is hidden, and now I can adjust styles to make the icon bigger and place it inside input. And for that I need my password validators CSS, and I forgot to mark it as class, and I can adjust styles and make this input row position relative. And let's check what we have. We have our input row, and I'm going to add absolute position to align my span on input row. Okay, and now I'm going to add my styles to span, and I'm going to provide some name probably, and it will be class name password toggle icon, and now I can use my class name and add. Actually, we don't have styles for our button because we don't have button anymore, and I'm going to add styles to my password toggle icon, and position will be absolute, and I can add some right to 0.5 rem, and make cursor point and increase font size to 1.5 rem. Okay, and let's check what we have. As you can see, we have our eye icon here. I'm going to press type text and press the icon, and we have our text visible. I can add more text and press again, and let's check what we have. And as you can see, we have text on our icon, and we need to add some padding to our input. Let me do it. Padding right will be 2.5 rem. Let's check again. I'm going to add text, and as you can see, we don't have text above our icon. I can hide my password, remove it, and add more text, and move my app, and close this developer tools, refresh the page, type again, and check that everything is working, and everything is looking good, and that's all that I have. I'll provide the links in my description. If you like the video, subscribe to my DevApp channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.